How to blanch vegetables. In this video, we will blanch cabbage. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. While the water is heating, prepare a large bowl filled with ice water. This will be used to quickly cool down the blanched cabbage. Once the water in the pot is boiling, carefully add the cabbage. Make sure that they are fully submerged. Allow the cabbage to boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. This blanching process helps soften the cabbage and preserves its color. Using tongs or a slotted spoon, remove the blanched cabbage from the boiling water and immediately transfer it to the bowl of ice water. This will stop the cooking process and cool down the cabbage. Let the cabbage sit in the ice water for about 2 to 3 minutes to ensure it's fully cooled down. Once the cabbage has cooled, remove it from the ice water and drain off any excess water. And there you have it! Beautifully blanched cabbage, ready to be used in your favorite recipes. Thanks for watching! Hit the subscribe button and let's cook up something amazing together!